Hey, this here.
Now me first here. Hey, you my hair. I'm ready to rock 'em. I'm ready to rock this hair. Hey, you guys come on, let's open box this video. This wig. I'm ready. My first wig. Yes, my first human wig. I'm ready to install. I'm ready to show you how this look.
You guys, welcome to my channel again. So today I'm gonna show you my first human wig that I got from Amazon. So the price was $99 and plus tax I think it came up to $105 or so. So this is unboxing video, so I'm not going to install the hair. The next video I will do on this hair is when I will install the hair and stuff, but this is just open box to show you guys how the hair looks and things like that. I like to do that so that I know exactly what I'm getting and so on and so forth. If it's something I don't like, I can easily return it and things like that. So yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So this is it right here. So I will put the model on the screen while what's the name? So this is a body wave wig right here. So this is from Wingirl. Yeah, this is from Wingirl. So this is in a 16-inch. So this is how it comes. So let's see. So here is, it says human hair wig, Wingirl hair, love your hair, show your beauty, unprocessed human hair, high quality. This is how we look. Okay, so we're just gonna open. So inside of this bag, it comes with this thank you note. It says, thank you note, we appreciate your choice. Our store, follow Instagram and all of that. So it has all of that stuff. So it has Meg. I do follow Meg on YouTube, and I also follow her. I'm not too familiar with her, so yeah. Okay, so that's that. And it also came with a wig cap, which is like a tan color wig cap, like that. And let's see, I think it comes with lash as well. Yes, came with this mink lash. Yeah, I only give you one lashes right here. And then the hair we all have been waiting for is this right here. Like I said, it's a 16-inch body wave hair. And this is how the hair looks. So it comes with this thing right here. It also comes, okay, it also comes with this bonnet thing right here. Okay, and this is how the hair looks. And it also has the baby hairs to the front, and this is ear to ear lace lace front. So I actually watched a lot of reviews before I actually purchased this, so I'm really excited. So yeah, I'm really excited. So this is how the hair looks, and this is how the inside looks. It also comes with a netting to the back if you actually wants to pull it up. you can do so. It comes with 4 combs, two on the sides, one on the front and one in the back, and it comes with the elastic. Yeah, all of them do anyway. So this is it. This has already been tanned for you, so it already been pre-plucked and everything. So, and this is in the color 1B. So yeah, like I said, it comes with baby hairs and things. So yeah. So you guys, I'm excited to install this, but like I say, I like to do like an unboxing video first and see. You really don't have to do much about what I'm looking at, but you can definitely put your foundation or your pressed powder, you know, on here if you really want to get it really darkened than what it actually is right here. You know, you can do that and stuff. So yeah, like I said, I'm mostly used to synthetic wigs, but like I said, I want to like go up, you know, on this channel a little bit and move up to other things on my channel. So like I said, this is my first human wig for this price, and you know, you guys, I have to look a lot of reviews and read a lot of reviews. And Amazon, if you don't like something, you just return it. So hopefully I don't have to, you know, because I didn't buy it to return it, I buy it to keep it. So they have more than, I think this is 16-inch, so if you want like 18 or whatever, you can get it. So I'm so excited to for this, you know. Right now I'm not getting no shedding or anything like that, and I like the body that I'm getting out of this. So like I said, this should be like a pretty easy install. But like I said earlier, I like to do unboxing video first, and then before I go ahead and install this wig. And then once I install it, I'll make sure I put it on for a couple of days and tell you guys how it held up and how things are going, because normally I don't sleep in my wigs and stuff. So I will definitely try to use the spray and see how this go and stuff. I like it, the texture. I'm liking this. I'm liking this one. Yes. So yeah, so let me know what you think about this. Let me know what you think about this. So I'm liking it though. I'm really excited. You know how you excited for your first thing, and then, you know, all of a sudden, yeah, I like this. I'm really liking it. So like I said, hopefully I don't have to return it. I didn't buy it to return it, so we'll see. Like I said, it should be like a pretty easy install. So with the baby hairs and things, so you know, it comes with it. You don't have to cut nothing else and whatever. So like I said, so it fit my head perfectly, even though I have a scarf under my head. So this should be like a pretty easy install. So I like to give you guys open first impression to show you things and see how they look, instead of going into, oh, let me do the hair, this and that, because I know how much is it for people to spend $100, like especially me, on a hair. So I can buy multiple synthetic hair instead of just one. But again, like I said, I want to move this channel to a bigger channel, you know, step up, you know, to the next level and things like that. So yeah. So alright guys, so let me know if I leave out anything that you might want to know I didn't mention. So other than that, I mean, like I said, I'm liking it. So watch out for the install. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.